We'll be seeing how to create an EC2 instances which has WordPress Multisite already pre-installed in it. So initially just log into your AWS account. So if at all you have seen in the first video, I have shown you how to activate an MFA, that is an authenticator. So this is how it looks if at all you have activated your authenticator. So once you enter the code that is in your authenticator, every time you will get a unique code. So just submit it. Just go to your EC2 instance. Currently we are having an old instance running, so I'll just delete it. I'll just terminate it, and then I'll just launch a new instance. So just go to an AWS market and search for WordPress, and you see here you have many options like WordPress certified by Bitnami, WordPress with Nginx engine, or WordPress with version. So we will be looking for WordPress Multisite certified by Bitnami and automatic. Just select, click on continue, and this is a general one. So if at all you wanted, again I'll just show you the pricings also. So this is a price range. What are the prices you need to select? Like software is a free one, so you will be just charged for an EC2. You won't be charged for using WordPress application. So just click on continue. Select your server option. I'll be going with the free tab. Then configure. Then just add storage. I'll be adding 30 because we are using multi-site. Just add tags. Next configure. So HTTP will be anywhere and HTTPS will be from anywhere. And then review and launch. So everything is perfect. Just click on launch. Here I can create a new existing key pair, or I can go with a new key pair. So I'll just create a new key pair. Click on download. Just save it. So it gets saved, and just click on launch instance. So once the instance is launched, we will see how to log in and all those things. Yeah, just go here and click on new instance. So you need to see that the instance states get active from pending. So you need to just wait for 2 to 3 minutes. So it gets active, and the check status will be 2 by 2. So which means everything is working well and good.